Well, it's giveaway time, folks. This is Weekend Watch Repair. My name is Adam. Thank you for clicking on the thumbnail and taking a look at this video. If you're here, I'm sure it is to see whether or not you won this watch. What we have here is a Seiko 7019-3140 that we restored on the channel. Originally, this watch was a bit beat up. The case needed some work. It had a oddly shattered crystal when I bought it. But it all makes for a fun project. We totally went over the case top to bottom, serviced this movement completely, and we have this watch running in fine working order. It has been running nonstop since the service was completed, and it's just going fantastic. So I'm really looking forward to giving away this watch. Giveaways are absolutely my favorite thing to do on the channel. I don't know why. Maybe it's just because the thought of somebody out there in YouTube land is going to win the watch and hopefully enjoy it. I definitely enjoyed working on it. It was a very fun project, and I think it came out nice. And even though that strap, the color may seem odd, it's a really high quality strap, and I actually think it really suits the watch. The more and more I have it on my bench, I've looked at it over the past 2 weeks. I think it fits it fantastic, and I don't think my video really does it justice, but it just turned out beautifully. But since we're doing a giveaway here, I want to do something special for the patrons. So I hid a little Easter egg in this video somewhere. So any patrons who catch it, comment on the Patreon page. And if you the first one to catch it, they get some free channel swag. So a little bonus in there for the Patreon members. But with that said, let's go ahead and get to the video, or to the giveaway rather. We're going to do an integrity check, and you can see it is Sunday, March 23rd. So now I'm going to copy the link to the video, and we'll go up here and put it in this YouTube random comment picker. Disable my own replies, and we'll go ahead and let this count up. And it'll take it a minute, but we're doing a giveaway. I want to do something special for the Patreon members. So, and I announced it on there. There's a little Easter egg somewhere in this video. It may or may not have already popped up, but if you're a Patreon supporter and you happen to catch it, go over there and make a post. If you're the first one to get it, we had some hats made for the channel. We'll send you a free hat. But the winner is Brent Allen Dodge 4910. Congratulations, Brent. That's fantastic. You want a exceptionally cool, really well running and restored watch. So if you would, please do me a favor and email me at the address you see on screen, weekendwatchrepair@gmail.com. You have 7 days from today's date, the 23rd, so Sunday, March 30th, to email me to claim your prize. I need you to send me a screenshot of you logged in to the winning account name. Once you send that to me, we'll go through one additional step to verify your identity. And once that's done, I will make exchange information. I will ship you the watch again. At no point will I ever ask for any payment of any kind. This is 100% free to the winner. So anybody contacting you saying they need payment for anything is definitely has bad intentions, let's just say. But with that said, that's the giveaway, folks. Again, congratulations to Brent Allen Dodge. And make sure you like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I sure do appreciate it. And ladies and gentlemen, that's the giveaway. Short and sweet. I hope you enjoyed it. The next watch is a really special watch. It's going to be on my bench in 24 hours or so, and we're about to get started on it. And I'm looking forward to bringing that to you. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other. And we will see you on the next one.